Only match tutorial point. In the previous video, we discussed some on page number 29, right? So we'll continue the same in this video. Second one, guys, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. So, me sum chudagane, what you are getting an idea, students. So here, all the numbers are belonging to the prime numbers, isn't it? So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are all the prime numbers. So collection ఇవన్నీ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? So did you understand, guys? The collection is nothing but it should belonging to the same group and must satisfy some property, same property. Okay. So here whatever element if you choose from the set, from the collection, it will be a prime number only. Okay, nothing but the collection. Set and those are all definition we'll discuss in this video, because before going to set you should understand what is a collection. Okay, that is called the collection is a well defined in the sense it should not be okay, it should not be any, no element should be distinct. Okay, all are belonging to the same group and each and every element should satisfy the same condition. They are nothing but the well defined. Okay, those are all we'll discuss. Now 1, 4, 9, 16. Okay, the third sum ela undi, guys. Okay, in this sum, okay, what is the common property? What do you understand by seeing these numbers? These are all squares, right? Common property em anukunnaru ikkada. So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and so on. So these are all the collections, means group. This group contains squares of the numbers. Okay, so that is the common property. Okay, elements ఎలా ఉన్నాయో దాని నేమ్ రాయడమే ఇక్కడ కామన్ ప్రాపర్టీ అంటాం. ఓకే, దేని మీద పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ అంటాం. సో ఎలా ఉన్నవి పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్. సో S equal to so always, guys, I'm going to tell the definition here. A set is a well defined collection of elements. Okay, a set is a well defined collection of elements. Okay, a set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, here and set is denoted by capital letters, guys. Okay, and it is enclosed by flower brackets. Okay, set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, and the objects in the elements are called elements. So ఇంతకుముందు మనం నంబర్స్ అండ్ రీచ్ చేసాం కదా, నంబర్స్ అండ్ రీచ్ చేయదు ఈ చాప్టర్లో. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ యాజ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అండ్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ వన్ కర్లీ బ్రాకెట్స్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ ఆల్సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ వన్ కర్లీ బ్రాకెట్స్. నథింగ్ బట్ ద ఓకే, నథింగ్ బట్ ద ఎన్క్లోజింగ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్. సో ఈ కర్లీ బ్రాకెట్స్లో ఉన్న నంబర్స్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటాం. ఇలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేదాన్ని సెట్ అంటాం. ఓకే గైస్, now you will understand this concept, right? See, always set is denoted by capital S, capital letters, not capital S, capital letters. You can keep any letter. Okay, now fourth one, January, February, March. So by seeing this January, February, March, what do you understand? These are all the English months, right? So that is a common property. Okay, M. So it is denoted by capital M because it is a set. Set kada, collection kada, collection same unnai, same number. January, February, March, April, May, June up to December. These are all called the English months antam. Alage Sunday manam month anam, isn't it? Those are all the weekdays. Okay. No, it is denoted by capital M, and this representation we'll discuss further, guys. This is called a set builder form. This one we will discuss further. Okay, so just you remember that what is a common property here and what we will denote the set as with capital letter. అదే మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఈ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ మనం ఫర్దర్గా చూద్దాం. అది సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ అంటాం. దట్ వన్ విల్ డిస్కస్ later in the further class. Now thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. By seeing this, what you understand, guys? These are all the fingers of your hand, right? Okay. So how many fingers will be there for every person? 5 fingers. That is thumb, index, middle, ring, and little finger. So total 5. So that is a common property. Okay. Fingers of a hand. So it is denoted by capital F. So this representation we'll discuss when we are discussing with set builder form. Okay, guys. Now, next one we go with page number 30. Guys, page number 30. Okay, do this exercise. We'll see. We'll solve this. What is given? Write the following sets. They gave certain questions here. We have to represent in the form of set. Means with curly brackets and also elements. How to represent the set, guys? With set is represented by capital letter and it should be enclosed by the curly brackets, and the whatever the information inside the brackets, it is called the elements. మీరు సెంటెన్స్ రాసినా సరే ఆ బ్రాకెట్స్లో ఉంటే ఎలిమెంటే అంటాం. ఓకేనా? నంబర్స్ అంటే రీచ్ చేయొద్దు. ఓకే గైస్, ఇంతకుముందు నేను ఇక్కడ చెప్పాను, ఒకవేళ మీ బ్రాకెట్లో జనవరి, ఫిబ్రవరి, మార్చ్, ఏప్రిల్ అని ఉన్నా కూడా దాని ఎలిమెంట్స్ అని రీచ్ చేస్తాం. బికాస్ బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్ other terminology before not in bracket, you have to read as months. Okay guys, now see page number 30. Do this exercise. Set of the first 5 positive integers. Okay, first positive integers em vastayi. See representation set annadu, so sets are always denoted by capital letters, so represent with any letter with capital is equal to start curly brackets. They are asking first 5 positive numbers, positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close brackets. That's it. Okay. What is second one? Set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. You can give any name for the set. I am giving multiples kabatti m1 ichchanu. You can give any name. Okay. Open brackets. They are asking the multiples of 5 which are less than 100 and which are more than 100 and less than 125. So more than 100 is 105, which are divisible by 5. 110 is divisible by 5, 115 is divisible by 5, 120 is also divisible by 5, and 120 is less than 125. That's it. This is a set. Okay. Now set of first 5 cubic numbers. Cubic ante cube root. Okay. See cubic kabatti I have represented with capital C. You can give any number, any name, guys. Set is denoted by C equal to open brackets 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. 500 5 వరకు రాసుకోండి. 1 cube అంటే 1, 2 cube అంటే 8, 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3 27, 4 into 4 into 4 is 64, 5 into 5 into 5 that is 125. Okay. Fourth one, set of digits in the Ramanujan